Everyone wants to build a strong body, but some people think that a strong body can be built only by going to the gym. Earlier, I also used to think like this. And the majority of people cannot afford gym fees, and there are many people who do not have enough time to work out. So this video is only for you. In this video, I am going to tell you a full home workout to expert. By doing this for 20 minutes, you can achieve a good body. And this is what I have also been following for 6 months. And in this workout, I am going to tell you all of the best exercises for chest, shoulder, bicep, tricep, back, core, and leg. So let's begin this video. So look, warming up before doing a workout is very important. So for warm up, I am going to tell you 5 exercises. The first exercise is jumping jacks. Second, cross toe touches. And third, lateral lunges. Fourth, eye kiss. And fifth, arm circles. These 5 exercises are for warm up, which you have to do before a workout. So now let's talk about chest muscles. A chest makes your body broad and muscular, which looks very attractive. And a strong chest also improves posture. So for chest, I am going to tell you 3 exercises. The first exercise is push-ups. You already know this. So to do push-ups, you have to keep your hands and shoulders straight and keep your entire body straight. Then, you have to bring your chest to the ground and slowly do push-ups. You have to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps of this exercise. And if you are a complete beginner, then this exercise may feel a little hard for you, so you can also do knee push-ups. So in this exercise, you have to keep your knees like this and do push-ups here. So for this exercise also, you have to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. So the third exercise is called diamond push-ups. So this exercise is just like push-ups, but in this, you have to bring both your hands close and make a diamond shape, as you can see in this video. You have to do diamond push-ups like this. This exercise will make the line in the middle of your chest much sharper. For this, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So these were all the chest exercises, and now let's talk about some shoulder exercises. So broad shoulders give the body a V shape, which makes the physique powerful and balanced. So for shoulders, you can do this exercise, which is pike push-ups. So to perform this exercise, you have to lift your hips a little and give your body a triangle shape and take your head down toward the floor and then push up to come back. For this exercise, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the second exercise is shoulder step. So to perform this exercise, you have to come into plank position and touch your hands to the opposite shoulder and keep your hips completely straight. So you have to tap this 20 times, meaning 10 times per shoulder side, and do 3 sets. So the third exercise is called sapate. So doing sapate is very easy. You have to keep your body in a triangle shape, and then you have to bring your head down, but do not touch the floor. Then you have to bring your head straight up and keep your hands completely straight. This exercise is very best. For this, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So our third muscle is biceps. Biceps look attractive in appearance, but they also help a lot in every pulling activity. So the first exercise is bicep curl. So if you do not have a dumbbell for this exercise, you can use a bag or a water bottle. So whatever bag, dumbbell, or water bottle you have to hold it in your hand here and tighten your elbows slightly to the side. And after that, you have to bring that weight up a little and slowly take it down. You have to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps of this exercise. So the next exercise is chin-ups, or you can also call them pull-ups. So to do pull-ups, you will need a rod. And if you do not have a rod, you can also do this exercise by hanging on a wall. You have to do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps of this exercise. So the next exercise is hammer curl. So to perform this exercise, you have to take a water bottle or a bag and pull it up with both your hands and then slowly pull it down. By doing this, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps here. And with all these exercises, your biceps will become much stronger. So now let's talk about triceps. So 60% of the arms are triceps. If your triceps are not strong, your arms will look very thin. That's why training triceps is very important for bigger arms. So with all the exercises I have told you so far, your triceps will be trained to a great extent, but now I am going to tell you 2 exercises that have a very strong effect on triceps. Number 1, bench dips. So to do this, you can use a bench, sofa, or table. You have to place both your hands on the chair or sofa and bend your hands, then take your body down, and after that, push up and come back up. This exercise is very effective for triceps. For this, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the second exercise is called overhead extension. So you have to take a weight here, which can be a water bottle or a bag. You have to hold this weight with both hands and take it above your head. Then bring this weight back by bending your elbows, then push it up and bring it down. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So now, let's talk about back. Training your back is very important because this is the structure of our entire body. Height looks taller, the spine stays healthy, and the overall body looks wide and aesthetic. The first exercise for back training is Superman. So to do this exercise, first you have to lie down on a mat and lower your head. And after that, you have to raise your head, arms, and legs. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and then bring it down. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the second exercise is reverse snow angels. So to do this, you have to lie face down on the floor, then you have to raise your arms from the sides and bring them down like you do while swimming. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the third exercise is Australian pull-ups. So to perform this exercise, you need a rod. And if you do not have a rod, you can also use a bed or table. You have to get under the table or bed and do pull-ups there, as you can see in this video. Exactly like this, you have to do it. So it's for 6-pack abs, but it also gives balance and stability to the entire body. A strong core also improves every workout. So to build abs, I am going to tell you some exercises that are very effective. The first exercise is planks. In this, you have to keep your elbows like this and keep your legs completely straight. And by doing this, you have to hold here for 30 to 40 seconds, and you have to do 3 sets of this. So the next exercise is bicycle crunches. First, you have to lie down on your back and touch your elbow to the knee of the opposite leg. And at the same time, you have to keep moving your legs like you are riding a bicycle. For this exercise, you have to do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. The third exercise is leg raises. In this, you have to lie down on your back and straighten your legs and slowly lift them up, but you do not have to touch the floor. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the third exercise is mountain climbers. You have to come into plank position. And just like climbing a mountain, you have to move your legs forward and backward, like running. You have to do this exercise for 30 to 40 seconds and do 3 sets. So with these core exercises, your abs will start becoming visible very soon. So the next muscle is legs. If you train only your upper body and your legs remain weak, just like the foundation of a building is most important, in the same way, legs are the biggest muscles of the body. And if you do not train your legs, your body balance will be disturbed and growth may slow down because it also improves leg hormones, like testosterone, which is very important for muscle growth. So for legs, you can do squats. To do this, keep your legs slightly wide and keep your back completely straight. Then go down, make a 90-degree angle with your knees, and come back up. For squats, you have to do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. So the second exercise is lunges. You have to keep one leg forward, then go down, and then come back up. For this exercise, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. So the third exercise is jump squats. Just like you normally do squats, in this you have to jump while doing squats. For this also, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. And for lower legs, you can also do raises. To do leg raises, you have to lift your body using both your legs. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. So this is a complete full body workout that you can do at home and build a good body. And you have to exercise only 5 times a week. You have to give your body rest for 2 days so that it can recover properly. And guys, a body is not built only by workout. 50% is our diet. So if you want a full video on diet, you can tell me in the comments. So let's grow together.